There are many tools available for SEO, search engine optimization, that can help you improve your website's visibility and rankings in search engine results. Some of the best tools for SEO include Google Analytics. This tool provides detailed information about your website's traffic, including where your visitors are coming from, what they are searching for, and how they interact with your site. Google Search Console. This tool helps you understand and improve your website's performance in Google search results. It provides information about search queries, click-through rates, and crawl errors. SEMrush. This tool provides information about your competitors' search engine rankings, paid advertising strategies, and organic search data. Ahrefs. This tool provides information about your backlinks, organic search data, and the performance of your content in search results. Moz. This tool provides information about your website's domain authority, search engine rankings, and inbound link data. SEO Moz. This tool provides information about your website's search engine rankings, backlinks, and crawl data. Keyword Tool. This tool provides information about the search volume, CPC, and competition of keywords. SERstat. This tool provides information about your website's search engine rankings, backlinks, and organic search data. It's important to note that the best tools for SEO will depend on your specific needs and goals. It's also worth considering to combine a few tools to get a more comprehensive view of your SEO status and get the most out of your SEO efforts.